Hi guys! Ako si Rockhart at ito ang Realme Buds Air Pro. Ito isa sa pinakabagong offerings ng Realme and how is it different from the usual headphones that Realme offers? Well, you know what? Let's open it up and check it out. So pag binuksan mo ang Realme box na to, you'll be greeted by a very interesting quote. Sometimes we long for the silent world in order to hear the truth. By Jose Levy. And siguro yun na nga yan. And this should contain, I think, yung pamphlet materials for the instructions. And ito na, mismo, yung earbuds. Mismo yung buds niya. Sige, kaya ko to. So, the moment you open it up, it already is powered up. By the way, may mga connectors na tinanggal ko na. And I've already tried pairing this with my phone, which you'll see in a moment. And from the aesthetics of itself, it's plastic, but it doesn't look plastic, right? Very solid construction with a solid LED indicator in front, and that's multi-purpose LED, of course. I like this back metal hinge, which is very premium feeling, and syempre yung snappy. The snappy. It's always gonna be there. Snappy sound. Pairing on this is actually quite easy. When I opened it out of the box, binuksan ko lang siya. And simply opening it up, and you should get a notification. There you go. Auto-paired na agad. So, simple as that, you can already have it operating right out of the box. And of course, when you open it up, it'll include earbud tips. I think this is small and extra large. Ang installed sa kanya is yung large currently. So you'll have to find the proper fit for your ear for that one. And the charging cable, which is, this is mini. No, this is Type C already. Yeah, this is Type C. So very easy and very compatible with most Realme phones or other devices that are available today on the market. So the Realme Earbuds Pro also has active noise cancellation, which is very bang for the buck. Low latency gaming mode, and of course you want that kung gusto mo marinig agad yung mga sounds ng nilalaro mo. 25 hours total playback, good bass, may transparency mode din siya, and dual mic noise cancellation for calls. And now to the biggest part, actually listening to your music. It actually has a lot of bass in it, which is super impressive for the price point. I think it really rivals the highest end of truly wireless earphones na narinig ko na. Now, the only weakness I can find is the mids. They're not as, they're not as punchy as I want, but everything else from the bass to the lows, it really is just a treat to listen to this. Big fan of R&B, of hip-hop. You're gonna really like this earbud. And of course, there is a mode where it can, if you press on, aside from music obviously, if you press on both of them at the same time for 2 seconds, you're gonna hear a car turn on. That means it is on, I don't know why it's a car, it's on gaming mode, man. So that means it's gonna be super duper low latency audio, which is great when you're playing games like shooters, or if you're playing actually any game. I really want the audio to be going in whenever an enemy attacks me, or whenever I shoot someone or someone shoots me. I want to know where it's coming from, and I also want to know how fast I need to respond to that. And that really helps with Realme's phones, which are very much centric for gaming as well. Now, what do you get with the Realme Buds Air Pro? Again, you get low latency audio, quick charge for its 25-hour battery, 10mm bass boost drivers. It's also waterproof up to IPX4, active noise cancellation, which is very rare for its price point, and it also supports Google Assistant, Google Fast Pair, and of course the Realme Link app. And that is the Realme Buds Air Pro. Let me know in the comment section what you like, what you dislike about this product, and what other videos, what other products you want me to cover. and maybe I'll do that because this is gonna be one of the first tech videos that I'll ever do on my YouTube channel. So make sure to hit like and subscribe so you can see more future stuff that's gonna come out on this channel. Hit the bell icon as well. I might do a giveaway of one of these products soon, so make sure to stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.